In this video, we are going to see how to find the nth business day using Workday function in Excel. So, what is a business day? If we talk about this month, February 2025, then the first working day will start on Monday and it will exclude all Saturdays and Sundays. So, my first working day will start on 3rd February. Then this is second working day, third working day, fourth working day, fifth working day. After fifth working day, the next sixth working day will be excluding Saturday and Sunday, it will be 10th February. So let's see how we can do this. So here we see that our first working day is starting on 3rd February. So here, first business day of month that we need to populate over here, 3rd February 2025. And here we need to use workday function, workday. We have to start from this date. So make it as constant by pressing F4. Then to get the first business day, these are the numbers I've written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So from this number, you subtract -1 because the first business day uh, here it is on 0th day. Similarly, if we want to find the second business day, third business day, etc., we can just check this formula. So second BD2 will fall on 4th February and my BD6 will fall on 10th February, which you can find from here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So BD6 is coming on 10th February, which you can see from here also. So thanks for watching the video. Hope it was informative.